In this video, we have given that 4b square plus 1 by b square is equal to 2. And we have to find the value of 8b cube plus 1 by b cube. So 4b square is 2b whole square plus 1 by b square is 1 by b whole square, that is equal to 2. And if we take x is equal to 2b and y is equal to 1 by b, then 2b is x square plus 1 by b is y square is equal to 2. And we have to find the value of 8b cube plus 1 by b cube. So 8b cube is 2b whole cube plus 1 by b cube is 1 by b whole cube, and 2b is x cube plus 1 by b is y cube. And we know that x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. So x cube plus y cube will be equal to x plus y times x square plus y square is 2 minus xy, and x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y times 2 minus, and x is 2b times y is 1 by b, and b will get cancelled. So x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y times 2 minus 2, and x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y times 0, that will be equal to 0. So this is equal to 0.